Hello, welcome back to the Great Garden channel. How to transform your orchids from this to this without using chemical fertilizers. In today's video, I'll continue to share a very easy natural fertilizer recipe that makes use of familiar ingredients right from your kitchen. This method helps orchids develop comprehensively, strong roots, fast new root growth, and firm attachment to the growing medium. Darker green leaves that are thicker and glossier. Plump, healthy flower spikes with evenly blooming flowers, vibrant colors, and longer-lasting blooms. If you enjoy caring for orchids in a simple, safe, effective way, don't forget to subscribe to the Great Garden channel so you won't miss any helpful tips in upcoming videos. Let's get started right away. Do you have any oranges in your refrigerator? Oranges are not only good for human health, but they also contain plenty of vitamin C, organic acids, and natural minerals that are beneficial for plants. First, use a knife to peel off the orange peel. Orange peel contains a high amount of essential oils, vitamin C, calcium, potassium, and natural antibacterial compounds, which help boost the plant's resistance, reduce fungal diseases, and support healthy growth when used properly. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Next, cut the orange peel into small pieces. This helps the active compounds, especially limonene in the orange peel, release more easily, supporting the repelling of certain pests and reducing harmful fungi that affect the plant. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Then, place all the chopped orange peels into a clean glass container. Next, add 500 milliliters of boiled water to extract the essential compounds, vitamins, and antibacterial substances from the orange peel. At the same time, I use rice combined with orange peel to make fertilizer for orchids. Rice contains a high amount of starch, B vitamins, minerals, and natural enzymes, which provide a gentle source of energy and help support healthy root development. Add 2 tablespoons of rice together with the orange peel. After that, stir well so the nutrients from the rice dissolve, making the mixture ready for the next steps of use. Finally, cover the container and let the solution steep for 2 hours. While waiting for the solution to steep, I lightly rinse the potted plants with water. This helps evenly moisten the growing medium, wash away dust and accumulated residues, and at the same time, wake up the root system after a dry period. When the growing medium is sufficiently moist and well aerated, the roots can respire better, New root tips are activated, and they are ready to absorb nutrients. Thanks to the pre-rinsing, the plant is less likely to experience shock when organic fertilizer is applied and can recover more quickly. After that, allow the plant to drain excess water before moving on to the next care step. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. After 2 hours, once the water has cooled, I stir the mixture well so the nutrients are fully dissolved into the water. Next, strain out the solids and keep only the clear liquid extracted from the orange peel and rice. This filtering step helps the solution remain clear and easy to use, preventing the growing medium from becoming clogged or residues from sticking to the leaves. Add 1 liter of clean water at room temperature to dilute the organic fertilizer solution. And that's it. Let's go ahead and water the plants in the garden. Method 1. Pour the orange peel and rice solution into a clean watering can. Then water slowly and evenly around the base of the orchid, so the solution gradually soaks into the growing medium. Rice water is rich in starch, B vitamins, and trace minerals, which help nourish strong roots, support leaf growth, and boost the plant's vitality. Orange peel provides vitamin C, potassium, and calcium, and also has mild acidity that helps balance the growing medium, creating favorable conditions for orchid root development. In addition, this solution also supports beneficial microorganisms in the growing medium, helping the roots absorb nutrients more efficiently. Method 2. Pour the solution into a small cup. Soak a cotton pad in the solution, then gently wipe both the upper and lower surfaces of the orchid leaves. This method helps remove dust and long-accumulated salt residues, keeping the leaf surface clean and well ventilated, thereby improving photosynthesis efficiency. Wiping the leaves also helps limit disease pathogens and reduce the risk of bacterial and fungal attacks. When the leaves are clean and healthy, the plant absorbs water and nutrients from the environment more effectively, grows more steadily, and supports better root and flower development. In addition, clean, glossy green leaves make the orchid look healthier and more visually appealing. You can clean the leaves about once a month, or whenever you notice a lot of dust buildup. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, don't forget to subscribe to continue supporting and accompanying Great Garden. Method 3. Pour the remaining solution into a spray bottle, then mist it evenly over the entire orchid, including the leaves, stem, and roots. This method works similarly to foliar feeding, allowing nutrients to penetrate easily and be quickly absorbed through the leaf surface. As a result, the orchid receives timely nutrition, boosts its resistance, reduces pest and disease issues, and supports balanced development of the roots, stem, and leaves. You can apply this method 1 to 2 times per month to maintain plant health and help orchids grow quickly and steadily. Results after 2 months. Many new roots continuously formed, with green, plump, glossy, and firm root tips, showing that the plant absorbs nutrients very effectively. The leaves became a deeper green, thicker and shinier, with good firmness and elasticity, indicating stable and healthy growth. New shoots emerging from the base developed evenly, creating a solid foundation for the next growth stage. Notably, some pots began to produce flower spikes and bloom, with vibrant colors and longer-lasting flowers, clear signs that the plants are well established and ready to enter a new flowering cycle. This gentle care method using orange peel and rice not only helps plants stay healthy and boosts their resistance, but also brings fresh vitality to the garden. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the Great Garden channel to discover more simple yet effective plant care tips. Thank you for watching, and see you again in the next videos.